Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Growth begins when you step outside your comfort zone. Staying comfortable limits learning. Feeling uncomfortable when trying new things is normal. Accepting challenges increases skills. Overcoming fear builds confidence. Stepping outside comfort brings new opportunities. Difficult experiences make a person mature. Big success does not come from staying safe. Small risks can bring big change. So, if you want growth, learn to go beyond comfort. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.